In this video, we are going to see how we can hide or remove the recycle bin from the desktop on the Windows 11 computer. So you might have noticed that whenever you install a fresh copy of Windows, it only shows you recycle bin on the desktop. So if you want to get rid of that, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just click on any white space or blank area, right click on that and select personalize from here. And from here, we will select the third option, that is for themes. And from here, in the related settings section, you have this desktop icon settings. Click on that. And basically, you can enable or disable the My Computer option. And in this case, I want to remove the recycle bin from here. So we click on that. And after that, hit apply and OK. And then when you visit the home page, it will no longer show you the recycle bin option. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.